So if 2020 was the year of the pandemic, what is 2021 going to be the year of?
Oh goodness, I wish I had a glass ball to know what 2021 was going to be the year of, but let's hope it's the year of a new normal. It's been tumultuous, for sure. If we can think of some good things, it could be that 2021 will start to see investments into nature as well as into climate. In our view, the economy today is wild, and by wild we mean wasteful, idle, lopsided and dirty. But what we also were realising at Lombard Odier was that there is a transition happening. It's already underway, and that is what we call a click economy. And that's a circular, lean, inclusive and clean economy. And we love the fact that the acronym CLICK also encompasses digitalisation and technology, because for us that is a key enabler of the transition. As greener becomes cheaper, that's exactly when investors can wake up and say, actually, this isn't about ethical investing, this is about returns. We've seen oil and gas companies that have woken up to the need to transition and have completely changed themselves around to becoming renewable energy companies, and you've seen the valuations of those companies skyrocket. I think the pandemic has provided a catalyst, but it's not the only catalyst. I think a lot of this change was already happening. 2021 is a year where we're going to see a lot more regulation on sustainability. We've got COP26 happening in Glasgow. We expect to see a lot more countries coming out with targets on climate. With the EU Green Deal, we saw the plastics tax has just come in January. We're expecting in 2021 to see more regulation for companies on how they need to disclose on nature. While regulation is changing, it is still a little bit lagging towards what is needed. We're constantly developing new tools, new methodologies. And one of those tools we've recently developed is a temperature alignment tool, so that we can look at where companies are positioned today in terms of their temperature trajectory and whether they are aligned with Paris, with the Paris Agreement and net zero. And for us, we believe it is absolutely vital to do that level of analysis. We want to find those companies that really are reacting fastest, and we're excited by the opportunities ahead. We see huge amounts of investment opportunities. Urbanisation as a trend will be something in focus in 2021, but certainly this should mark a point in time for cities to rethink the way they're structured. There's so much that can be rethought. Electrification is really exciting because it's driving change, it's driving much more sustainability. We just need to think outside of the box and away from it being an electric car. If we can think about electric two-wheelers, electric pods, electric tuk-tuks in developing markets. I'm super excited about micromobility. I'm hopeful that 2021 will really bring an acceleration in focus on sustainability, and that focus will broaden sustainability beyond climate and encompass nature as well. And nature is vital, and we have to protect it, and we have to invest in it. And there are lots of opportunities across the spectrum of natural capital to invest.